Stand in your pit. Danny, stand in your pit. Woo. Similar but quieter. Wasn't it?
I didn't get the pop. You're on fire. You're on fire.
I just want to show you these guys. I just got them. They are Siberian sturgeons. They're like little sharks, and they have to have special sunken food. So I'm just about to put them in the water. It's raining and it's dark, so I just wanted to I'd quickly show you before I put them in. And this is the special food that they need. Yeah, so this is the little dudes. I'll just put them in the water now.
So we're just going to release these guys. So apologies for the light and things, but it's very dark and rainy. I might just rip them open. Okay, let them out.
Where's the other one?